Hey y'all, it's Val here at Crafts by You, and I wanted to do a quick collective haul. This isn't all the things, not gonna show you all the things, but as I'm finishing up the diamond painting that I'm working on, one of the things I kind of regret is not showing it to you when I got it straight away, because if you would have wanted it, you know, you would have needed to have seen it earlier to been able to get it. And I noticed that was the same thing with other YouTubers that were showing paintings. They just didn't get to doing them until so much later. So I wanted to do an unboxing and not going through all of the drills and all that rigmarole, just pulling the canvas out and maybe some of the paint, the kits for the newer ones, because they changed those kits. But just to show you these and, you know, kind of a preview of what I might be working on next. And also items that you can actually still get right now. So as of me doing this video. So I'll put the links below. Diamond Art Club, typically when something's no longer available, you search for it, you see nothing. You go to that link, the link is dead. So I wish they would do kind of like an archival page or something, an archive of their paintings, but not right now. So this one is an example. It's one that I bought a while ago, but it is still available, and it's called Kitty Cuddles. And one thing with the Diamond Art Club boxes, if it's got this round circle here, it's a round drill painting versus a square. So you'll see we have a mix of those on this one. So let's get to opening this one. And it's not that I'm just so big into cats, but I do like having, so this is how it comes. I do like having people of color, and she was a curly hair girl. So I was like, yeah. So I'm gonna keep that bag. This is the old kit, and there's that sticker. All right, Kitty Cuddles. Put that one over. And the drills are usually in here. So, oh my goodness, she's so big. So here's all our drills, the way they come. And here are those stickers that I put on the jars or the containers. They're already pre-cut. You can put your start and end date and add that to the logbook. So I'll set that aside. And their canvases are just so nice on the back. So this one, again, 56 by 76 centimeters or 22 by 30 inches. She's so big and pretty. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can just zoom in a little bit. You can kind of see how clear everything is. So I'm really excited about that. And ooh, back it up. Okay, there we go. So this is going to be really fun to work with, and a lot of color block, and I'm just noticing like tons and tons. Oh my goodness. But then there's like a ton of confetti in here, so that's going to be exciting. All right, so I'm going to put these back in here, and I'm going to try to just set it off to the side and fool with it later so we can keep it moving. All right, the next one is one called Abundant Dreams. And again, this is a round diamond painting. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay, still an older kit for this one. Oh, this one, the artist, they have down Milan Art LLC. But the lady who is the actual artist, oh, I forget her name. But they have like bios and everything on their site for that. So we got our sticker, and stick this over to the side. Right. So this canvas is 56 by 56, 22 by 22 inches. And again, the same size as Coral, the one I'm working on. Ooh, and so look at all these pretty colors. So pretty. Again, you get your sheet here, and I won't bother, like, you know, rolling it the opposite way or anything, but just so nice. It's nice to be able to get portraits out of this deal here. So I'm excited for that. And the reason I got all these round drill ones is because it is slightly easier to place the rounds. So I think in the middle of me doing a square painting, I really need to balance it out and do a round, because otherwise I just might get like burdened down and just, I don't want to get bored with it. And it would be better for me to transition to a different painting and just a simpler painting than it would be for me to just say, I'm not doing this anymore. Okay, so this one is called the Mermalice in the Sea of Tea. So Alice in Wonderland, if she was a mermaid in a sea of tea. So like my mermaids, this is why I just said, okay, I like Alice in Wonderland, I like mermaids, so we're gonna combine the two here. So let's see how this one comes out. And I'll put a code below so you all can have a discount code if you ever plan to get anything from them. Make sure that you always, always, always use a code. There's never a reason not to use a code. If not mine, someone else's. All right, there's a larger version. And I love these colors so much. Wow, these are so fun. And all of them have AB drills, Aurora Borealis, the ones that are a little more sparkly. But I think most of them are about 4 ABs. But of course, some of them I might end up just adding more for myself. So we got a spoon here. And look at the rabbit. Cheshire cat, which is now a fish. And I got the seahorse butterfly. So that'll be really fun to do. Oh my goodness. Hard part's gonna be like, which one? Oh, and I think I've showed you this before, but they give you these instructions in here for doing it. So that's nice. And codes everywhere. So like I said, I always use a code. Okay, I'll move Alice over to the side. And this one is from an artist named Mandy Manzano, and she is actually from down here, or went to school here in Lafayette, in the Bayou. Okay, now this is a new kit, so we'll take a look at this one. I don't know if it'll have all the newness in there because they were transitioning them, so some kits had some stuff and not the others, but this one, Mandy Manzano, the Siren, and a quick look. So for me, I'm really trying to kind of stick to my theme because I have a wall going into my craft room that I decided it's gonna be like my little mermaid alley. So let's look at this one. And I saw someone on YouTube who had this particular one and really went in there with more ABs to kind of sparkle her up. Sparkle her up some more. So there's my drills. So pretty. I can't help but just say so pretty because that's what it is. So I'm excited because that wall has been barren, but now I'll be able to have all of my mermaid ladies on there. So Amanda Manzano, and her style is known for kind of having this stained glass look. So if you see that, that's probably hers. All right, let's just look at the toolkit real quick, because like I said, this is a newer one. If you want to see what they're saying is in here, let's check. So yep, we've got weird washi. It was cut weird. Alrighty, so washi there. Not as if I need more washi. No, I do not, but thank you anyway. Alrighty. Ooh, this package is so fat. Okay, yay, this is like all the newness. All right, so you get heart wax, which they gave you before, but now it's in this little cute container. More baggies, thank you. You get some tips, and this is a 7-placer, and what is this, a 4? Yep, 4 and a 7-placer, multi-placer. So the trays normally that we're getting are, let me show you the difference. It's like this. So you see the difference, it's larger, and you've got the stopper now. So thank you very much, I'm excited for that. A little squishy for your pen, and then you get, oh my, okay, stop. DAC, y'all are too good. Somebody was paying attention. It was like, yeah, we're gonna give you, I would say a small and a large washi. I guess that could be the case, but we're gonna hook you up on the minder. So remember I was saying that I was using my Ollie dots. They're magnetic, right? To hold the paper back as you go. Look at the minder that they gave me. This sparkly shell, oh my goodness. So again, you just put this magnet under the bottom and there you go. Oh, that's so good. See, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all feeling me, loving it. All right, so let me roll this one up. So another mermaid. Move her over here. And last but not least of the Diamond Art Club, this was part of their anniversary, which just happened a couple of weeks ago. And I want to show you. This is also Mandy Manzano, but the styling is a little different. This one's called New Friends. Let me check to see what's in the toolkit. Okay. So same things, but the difference is that one was a round diamond and this is a square diamond or square drill shape. So with squares, they're gonna give you tweezers. So they've got those branded and they're really nice metal tweezers. And then this is our cover minder for this one. Those pretty roses. And here's our, oh, I love this washi so much. It's like pastel clouds and gold foil. Yes, please. Alrighty, so here's all the other goodies like what I was just showing you a minute ago for this one as well. And let's take a look. So Mandy Manzano, square drills, New Friends, and let's take a look. All right, look at the drills first. Do you see all that pastel loveliness? So, our mermaid here. There we go. Just cool pastels. Again, for ABs. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, and the ombre is just that finished it for me. I was like, man, it's a mermaid and it's pastels. But when you start slapping that ombre up in the girl's hair, I'm like, yes, please. So that's what we got. And I'm super excited to work on this. I really am. Ah, so cute. 56 by 56 or 22 by 22 inches. Same size again as Coral, the one I'm finishing up now. But oh, I'm super excited. Oh, Diamond Art Club. I love it. Y'all spoil me. Now I'm gonna be all bougie. Well, just wanted to show those to y'all. Like I said, they're still available right now. Some things on their site will go out of stock, be low stock, and then they'll go out of stock, and they'll get them back. But if it's limited edition, or if it's them closing it out like the Abundant Dreams one, those I don't believe are coming back. So it's always, good to go on there and check, even if you don't, fully open everything up and start working on it. Open your stuff up, check it out, make sure everything's good. They give you warranty on the drills. I know it sounds like a commercial, but they are just as bougie as I like, and I can't help but tell you about that. So I'm excited about these. Like I said, I want to just share them. I'll put those links below. Please subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell for notifications and give me a thumbs up for sharing with you all of my paintings and burning calories while doing it. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have some that you're working on right now or ones you're thinking about in the comments below. Talk to you soon. Bye.